Ladies and gentlemen, hello and greetings from Enoshima Beach, Japan. Today we are enjoying Pacific Ocean, sunny weather and cool wind in Enoshima Beach. During the summer season, outdoor activity lovers flock to Enoshima. A number of reasons make this sweet town a great place for many people looking for a break from the bustling city life. Nevertheless, the vast majority of visitors come over for the most obvious reason, and that is the magnificent beaches stretching from the east to the west. Enoshima Beach is only 60 kilometers away from Tokyo and 40 kilometers from Yokohama. Its proximity to the two biggest metropoles makes Enoshima Beach agreeable enough for beachgoers during the stifling summer days. Enoshima Beach is a phrase used allegorically to refer to the town's collection of beaches. Each one of them actually have its own name. Katase Beach, Higashihama Beach, and Nishihama Beach. The part where I am filming this is Higashihama. The shielding Enoshima Island makes this beach arguably safer for elementary level swimmers. The coast here at Higashihama is wide and shallow. On clear sunny days, it is possible to see Mount Fuji's silhouette. In April and September, keen photographers position here with their equipment to capture the moments of Fuji Diamond. The Fuji Diamond is a well-known phenomenon when the setting sun peeks over Mount Fuji, giving it a diamond's flashy shine. There are public bathrooms, a nearby convenience store, and a car park. I parked at a place called My Parkingu and paid 2,400 yen for 6 hours, which may sound overwhelmingly expensive. I also know another car park which is a bit further away from this beach, and in here, 4 hours of parking costs 1,800 yen. During your stay here, look out for the hawks flying really low above beachgoers to snatch their food from their hands. Do not leave any food out or eat without a parasol or shade over you. Getting a badly gashed hand by the claws of a falcon could ruin your day out to Enoshima. As always, thank you very much for joining me in this episode of Men in Japan. Please remember to like and subscribe.